So if you have spent any time in crypto, you have obviously heard of futures trading. It's fast, it's exciting, and it's often too risky. So lately a new concept has been gaining a serious attention, which is prediction market. Some call them as a new evolution, while others see them just another passing trend. So today I'll be talking about futures trading versus prediction market, what's the difference between them and which one exactly fits your goal. So let's break them down. Before comparing the two, let's define what is futures trading. Unlike spot trading where you own the asset, futures lets you speculate the price without actually owning it. The big draw here is the leverage, controlling larger position with a less amount of capital. That amplifies profits but also amplifies losses. Move too far against you, your position gets liquidated. And also traders deal with funding fees, periodic payments, exchange between long and short positions. Futures offer flexibility and capital efficiency for experienced trader, but at the same time they demand serious risk management. So without proper discipline, leverage can change from an advantage into a liability. So that's about futures trading. So now let's come into prediction markets. These markets are about forecasting an outcome from a specific event. Those events can range from crypto development, sports, election, and many more. Instead of asking where will the Bitcoin trade next, the question becomes, will this event happen at this particular date? And market activity reflects how different outcomes are considered to be. It's a completely different way of engaging with markets, more about analyzing an information and forming a view. So now let's move beyond theory. So I'll walk you through one of the prediction market platforms so that you can understand how this works in practical. And for today's demonstration, we are using EQR RWA. So as you can see, this is the website which I was talking about, EQR, and this is the home page. As you can see, everything is transparent and you can find every details. If you click on the prediction, you can find all the predictions which are happening up right now. And so at the top you can see different categories: politics, sports, crypto, games, finance, geopolitics, technology, culture, and all the events which are happening up. You can see, for example, in sports you can see the UEFA Conference League which is happening up. Can review the match and you can understand the spreads here, what's going on. If you go to the crypto section, there is much awaited, will MetaMask launch their token by, so there are two options, December 31 and September 30 of 2026. If you go to the games section or even finance section, you find out more. SpaceX IPO, largest company end of the August, which will be the largest company? There is that question here. And second largest company at the end of August. So here to place it, just press on the order amount. If you say Apple will be the largest amount, you're going to set the order price, you're going to select the order amount, the fees will be shown, and you are going to hit the buy option here. So this is just the overview which I'm going to show you how actually these kind of platforms work. Is just for educational purposes, not a financial advice again. So every details will be shown here. Your history, your positions will be shown at the bottom. If you scroll down, you can find your positions, whatever you have placed. If you hit the profile icon, you go to the prediction account. There is spot account and prediction account. Your amount will be shown, whatever you have deposited. It will be shown here, your initial cost, your value, the payout which you have taken, everything will be shown. And in the order, you can see your history, the previous history which you have taken, previous withdrawals, everything will be shown in the order section. So if you want to cash out, you can go to your position, and if you hit on the sell option, it will be showing you two options. So you can read it out here and then you can press on cash out. There is one more option for you to do. You can go to your prediction table here and then go to the same place where you have placed your position, and then you can press on sell, and then here you can choose the amount of shares you want to sell. And if you hit on max or 50%, whatever you can do, and then you can press on sell as, you will be shown how much you will be receiving, the dollar amount, and then click on sell as. Then the selling will be successful. Your shares will be shown, the price at what you show, what you sold, that will be shown. And in the history again, buy and sell, both will be shown. Whatever you have done, if you have bought it for $2 and the amount which you have sold it for, everything will be shown in the order position itself. This is how simple this platform is, EQR, and I have just shown you the complete overview of this particular website and this particular platform, how it works and what are the things are available for you to choose from. So now, after looking at both approaches, how do they really compare? Futures trading generally offers more flexibility for experienced traders who are looking actively to manage a leveraged position, and prediction market on the other hand focuses on forecasting a specific outcome, which is obviously a different way of participating in markets. Neither approach is universally better, they simply serve different purposes. The right choice depends on your experience, your objectives and your comfort with risk. So understanding both will give you more option, a broader perspective on today's evolving financial markets. And personally, I don't think prediction markets are here to replace futures trading, and as I said, I think both serve different purposes. So if you're comfortable with leverage and active trading, futures trading remains a powerful tool. But if you are interested in understanding market expectation around a specific event, prediction markets offer a completely different perspective. So if you like to explore the platform which I have featured in this particular video, I have left the link in the description and also in our Telegram channel. And if you find this particular video and the comparison useful to you, don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button. And also, let me tell you, I'm not your financial advisor. Everything I have mentioned in this particular video is only for educational purposes. So make sure before investing in any kind of markets, you consult your own financial advisor, because markets are subjected to risk. So that's all for today's video, guys. I'll be meeting you in the next one. Until then, take care. Goodbye.